Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope everyone is well. Today I have a very large haul of costume jewellery from eBay. The volume of the jewellery in these bags is amazing for £9.99 plus £9 for the postage, and I will take them out of the bags so you can see everything. Oh wow, this is only 2 bags of all the jewellery. As you can see, there's a lot of sort of acrylic and plastic. Some bits are quite nice colours. Some are made on ribbon. There's seed beads, some glass beads, and some really nice colours there. As I said, this is only 2 bags, so what I'll do is I will put these ones away and then I'll get out the other ones so you can have a quick look. So basically the purpose of this video is to basically show you what I have here and also what can be made from it. Hopefully make some simple but unique pieces of jewellery. This is a way of showing you you guys what can be made with old costume jewellery. New purpose is great for this type of old style jewellery, and I look forward to making and showing you in my next video. I have basically narrowed it down to these beads and sorry, the jewellery, and to show you that I can actually make those earrings with the ear wires. I can change those and add sort of beads on the bottom of the chain, and then you have sort of like plasticky beads, some nice glass and wooden beads. So I will be making something with this soon, and I'll show you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.